Hey there, it's Celeste, and probably a year and a half ago, I went viral talking about the app Sintra, and I got busy and didn't create any more videos. But I want you to know I use Sintra every day. I've been asked, is Sintra still relevant? Do you still use it? Yes, I use it every single day, and I've used it every day since I had the app. And so today I just want to share three things that I love about Sintra, and hopefully you will look into it more and love it too. So number one is I loved when they added the app. So when I first started, they didn't have the app, but then I don't know how many months after I started, they had an actual mobile app, which means that I could open up the mobile app, I could turn on my microphone and speak my ideas into the app and have Sintra actually do work for me, whether it was write a letter, respond to a correspondence. If I had a brilliant idea on my way to work, I could put on the mic and just tell it what my brilliant idea was, and it could help me flush out the idea. And what else have I done on the fly? Oh, some customer service responses. And we'll talk about that on another video. I want to talk about the customer service. But my second one for this video is the fact that Sintra has 5 brains. And when we talk about those brains, if you look at one of my other videos, I talk about the brains. It's almost like 5 file cabinets that store information separately about different parts of your brand or different brands. Like for me, I have a nonprofit organization, I have a therapeutic art business, I publish books of my own, so I have a separate area for my books. I do some volunteer work, so I have a separate area for that. And I can't remember what, oh, the other one is another generic area where I can just put generic things that I don't want to affect the other brains. And so I love that because basically I have 5 separate AI accounts, I feel, that can focus on different areas of my business without getting mixed up into it. Um, all of them get mixed together like gumbo, right? So they're all separate. So I love that. And then number 3, what I wanted to say I really loved about Sintra is that every time I open the app, it's giving me ideas for my business. So if you looked in the app, they have 12 AI helpers, and each of them has ideas for me every day. Things that I may not have thought about, angles that I may not have looked at, things that I need to do that I didn't know I needed to do. And so it gives you several ideas. And some of the ideas that I got earlier, like months ago, I'm still working out, and they're great ideas. They were like even ideas for new products based on the products that I have already developed through the app. It's like, hey, since you're doing this product, you might want to add this product. And so to me, that's helpful. Like AI working for me, not me just telling AI to do something for me. So AI taking what it knows about my business and giving me some new ideas. So those are my 3 that I love about Sintra. And, that was the app, that was the 5 brains, and then the ideas that the app gives me for my business. So I think I'm going to do this more often and do 3 more things that I like about Sintra. But if you are looking for an app that can work for you, I think Sintra is great. I do have a link in the comments with a code. It's like 70% off. The last time I checked, now don't quote me if it's not 70% off when you click on it, but recently I looked, it was 70% off. And I want you to know I do pay every month for my app, and the code in there does give me credit for referring you. And that's not a bad thing because, as I told you, I have a nonprofit. And so those funds go and help my nonprofit function. We actually do arts in the community, self care, art for women. We do art for kids, and we also teach people about tech and AI, which is what I'm doing right now. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And I hope that you try the app out because, like, for me, it's been great. So next time, we'll do 3 more things that I love about Sintra. All right. Bye-bye.